Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Training Series. This video is designed to teach the end user how to manually cook in the Combi oven with a preheat cycle. If the unit is not already on, press the switch to the on position. The screen will display the operations menu. From this page, you will select the manual cooking icon to enter the manual cooking menu. Select the preheat function icon. We always suggest that you preheat first phase of the recipe, except for those that are Delta T cooking. Delta T should start in a cold oven. Click the custom icon, enter the temperature by dragging along the bar and press plus or press the temperature display and then input the temperature. Once selected, press the OK and then select the check mark to set and be returned to the preheat menu. Select the arrow at the top right to go back to the manual cooking mode. Select the time cooking icon and you will be in the manual cooking menu. Now select your steam input desired. Select the dry steam icon. Note, 100% humidity is steam at 212 degrees. Cooking at different percentages of humidity at different baking temperatures is Combi cooking. 0% humidity at 104 degrees is dehydrating, and 0 humidity is normal convection baking. Enter the desired percentage of humidity from 0 to 100% by dragging along the bar or pressing plus or minus. Now select the time icon to set the desired time you want to cook for the recipe. The time is set by hours, minutes, and seconds. Enter the desired cook time by dragging along the bar, pressing plus or minus, or press the time displayed and then input your desired time. Once the preferred time is selected, press the OK and then select the check mark to set and return to the cooking menu. Note the clock with the 24-hour inside. This is the 24-hour clock. If you know the unit is going to be running on the same cooking parameters all day, select this to have the oven remain on throughout the shift. Now, select the temperature icon. Enter the desired temperature by dragging along the bar, pressing plus or press the temperature display and then input the temperature desired. Once selected, press the OK and then select the check mark to set and be returned to the manual cooking menu. Now we will need to set the fan speed. Select the fan speed icon. Enter the desired percentage of fan speed from 0 to 100% by dragging along the bar, pressing the plus or pressing the percentage display and then input your percentage desired. Here you can also set the fan rotation, either clockwise or both clockwise and then counterclockwise. In addition, you can set the fan to be semi-static. Semi-static rotates the oven fan according to the temperature of the unit. The fan will turn on when the temperature is lower than the set point and then turn off when the temperature reaches the set point. Once the fan selections are determined, press the check mark to set and then be returned to the manual cooking mode. Press the start button on the bottom right of the screen. The unit will start the first phase, preheat. Once the preheat is complete, the unit will beep and display ready to load. Note, if you need to cancel the cooking at any point, press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds and the unit will cancel the cooking mode. Pay close attention not to get burned placing the food into the oven. Once the unit completes the recipe cooking, it will beep and display cooking complete to indicate that the food product is done and can be removed from the oven.